So welcome aboard Google Cloud again. In the previous lab, we were running a Python server application. Now we're going to install all the requirements. Okay, ls. This is what we're installing. So API client. So now we're going to list the GC instance. So we're gonna run this guy. Let's get the project ID. Let's get the zone. I will get the VM zone in a while. So here we go. I have this dev instance. So this Python script passing the product ID in the zone. I can get what instance we have. So that's what I like to share. So with this guy, we can even cat this guy. So here we go. We are connecting to Google API client. Okay, and it's able to list the virtual machines we had. So that's pretty simple. You can see the script there. We're gonna provide this on GitHub. So from the Google API client, was checking with compute engine we have. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.